Oftentimes, if you're using Windows 10 with CoPilot Truck program, the Windows 10 built-in location services will interfere with your GPS receiver, such as a BU353 or other receiver that is plugged into your USB port. When that happens, symptoms can include not showing the red dot moving when you begin moving your truck, or it could show it off on the wrong street, several blocks away, or even thousands of miles away. The way to fix this problem is to go into your Windows location services and turn that off. The way to go to location services is to go do a Windows search down at the bottom in Cortana for location. Click on location privacy and then turn location for this device off. Now CoPilot will utilize your external USB receiver entirely and have a much more accurate location and should stop any location bugs that you were receiving.